Today's walk starts at Yeld Lane. We follow the minor road until we reach Nettleford Wood. Passing through the wood, we quickly start upon the sandstone trail. After passing by some beautiful farmland, we enter the extensive Delamere Forest Park, circle the Delamere Lake and through the Globe 8 Outdoor Adventure Park. We pause briefly at the Visitor Centre and use the most welcome public conveniences. We return via Edisbury Wood, past the Pale Heights, back through Nettleford Wood before returning to the car. The car park at the start of the walk is fairly small, but was free and we didn't find any problems getting parked. Delamere Forest Park, which means Forest of the Lakes, is all that remains of the great forests of Mara and Mundrum. Delamere means Forest of the Lakes and is a 2,400 acre site managed by the Forestry Commission. The forest was established in the 11th century as a hunting retreat for the Norman Earls of Chester. Blackmere Moss at Delamere Forest is a reclaimed wetland area. The moss was formed during the Ice Age when two water-filled hollows melted in situ. The area was drained from the 1800s, supposedly by prisoners of the Napoleonic War, and planted with trees, and between 1793 and 1815 provided timber for shipbuilding. In the late 1990s, the Commission allowed the area to be reflooded again naturally. Now the restored lake provides a habitat for wildlife, particularly birds including grey lags, Canada geese, black-headed gulls, coots, mallards and lapwings.